In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to score Google Forms questions that have multiple correct answers efficiently and effectively. Google Forms is an incredibly versatile tool allowing educators, survey creators, and event planners to gather information and feedback seamlessly. But sometimes you need to score questions where multiple correct answers are applicable. Let's walk you through this process step by step. To begin with, navigate to your Google Drive. Once you're there, look for the New button, usually found on the left side of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Google Forms. You're just a few clicks away from creating your form. Choose Blank Form to start fresh. Now it's time to name your form. Giving it a specific name will make it easy to locate later. Click where it says Untitled Form and type in your desired name. Next, you'll need to adjust some settings. Find the Settings icon, often represented by a gear, and click on it. In this menu, you'll see an option to make your form into a quiz. Enable the Make This a Quiz setting. This is crucial as it's what will allow you to score answers automatically. Within Settings, look for the Release Grades section. Here you'll want to select Later after manual review to have the flexibility to review scores yourself before they go out. After configuring the settings, return to the Questions tab. You're ready to input your first question. Add a new question by clicking the plus sign. Remember, for a question with multiple correct answers, the checkboxes option is your go-to. This allows respondents to select more than one answer. List your options and think about the possible combinations that could be correct. Once your question and options are set, click on Answer Key. Here's where you'll select the correct answers. Highlight all the answers that apply and assign a point value to this question. The point value you choose should reflect the question's weight in the context of your whole form or quiz. Click Done when you're satisfied. Don't forget to toggle on the Required button. This ensures every respondent gives an answer before moving on. Finally, hit Publish to make your form live and share the form. Use the Copy Responder link to get a URL that you can distribute to your participants. If you want to follow up with scores, click on Responses within your form. Here you can choose individual responses to see each person's submission, manually confirm answers as needed, add any additional points, and when you're ready, click Release Score via email to notify participants of their results. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently create, share, and score a Google form where questions have multiple correct answers. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.